This is my DYMO Label Maker 160. It is a small handheld label maker. It uses 6 AAA batteries. This is the power button. Let's print a label. This is the print button. And this is the cutter. There you go. It was as easy as that. This label maker, you can insert text and numbers and also symbols and clip art. It works with D1 cartridges like this. These cartridges come in multiple different colors: white, yellow, have red. There's also a transparent background with black text. There's 2 different types: standard and durable. Standard labels, you can use them in offices, for example folders, binders, more paper-based items. With the durable labels, it can work on multiple surfaces. So I use mine to label routers, network switches, laptops, printers, hard drives, ends of network cables, even my own power cable. It also has a temperature resistance here of minus 40 degrees to 176 Fahrenheit or minus 40 degrees to 80 Celsius. Having a label maker makes life a lot easier when you can identify your devices clearly, especially network cables. A lot easier when you can identify each cable and what purpose they serve.